absolute favorite things to use Google Sheets for is my planner. I have different documents all over the place in Google Drive, and I really, really, really try to keep them very organized, but it never fails. When I'm ready for the next year to use a resource again, I can never find it. So I'm going to give you guys kind of a little look into how I do my planning on Google Sheets and how it helps me with the next year. So I do mine in two different semesters because in the first semester I have computer applications, and then in the second semester I have business essentials. The layout that I keep is pretty much the same, but here's an example from October. Part of the reason that I like this is down here at the bottom, I can see what I taught and when. I have all of my different notes that I need. I have my A days, B days, everything that I need, my essential learnings and notes. Here I put notes about what happened during the day, all kinds of different things. So here is a good week to look at. It's October 14th. The first thing I have my class name, and then this in Google Slides we talked about a daily agenda. Here I have that hyperlinked. I click on it, and so for the first thing I do that week is I decide what I'm going to be doing. Once that's decided, I click right there, and this document is ready for me to present to the kids. So that's what that is. Then I have my essential learning. Now, Mondays we type, so I can click right here, and this is my typing timer for the kids. So they either do 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So it's there and ready for me. Here I have my introduction to web design assignment that I can open up, and I can make sure that I want to teach it this way again, or do I want to change things around. If this is what I want to assign to the kids, then I just copy it and I put it over in Google Classroom. It is so nice. Then it's the same thing. I do our student engagement surveys. So next year I'll go in there and I will already have that link ready. It will be a different form. So if I click right here, I'll have the form from last year. So I'll just redo it to make it for 2020, 2021, but it is all there ready for me. Here I have just a little bit more information about what I will find in that assignment. And it just keeps going. And I also have kind of ideas of when we did everything. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. I actually share this with some other teachers. If we have resource teachers or whatever, they can be on the document too, so that you can see what's going on. That is my computer applications. Here's business essentials. It just looks a little bit different because I like to play around with making things pretty, but it's the same concept. I have my timers. Here I have where I wanted them to go typing. I do the same thing on 2 days. So I'm going to teach them color and marketing, how to match color and partial screenshot. But I just go through the weeks and it is all there. This one's a pretty good one. It has what am I going to go through the lesson step by step, and what resources do I need for those step by step. So super convenient. I've been using these for 2 years, 4 semesters now, and I don't think I will ever go another way. I know a lot of people will use Google Slides to do kind of the same thing, but I really like how down here mine are all listed out, and when I don't want to see them, I can just hide them and I won't have to see them anymore. And then, kind of a different thing, I have a bunch of different, like if I have websites that I want to remember, this is my index. I can go to websites and I can click on that and it will tell me to unhide it. So this one's actually new. I never filled it all in. I might have more on my other ones, but any websites that I want to remember, username, passwords, all that good stuff. So I like being able to close what I don't need and only have what's relevant to me right then. Here's curriculum resources. I have some stuff on there, team things that I want to remember so I can come back here next year and they're all there ready for me. So that's primarily how I use Google Sheets. Obviously, there are tons of different ways that you can use them. I have some resources on there for specifically for like sports and in the physical education classroom, math. There's tons of different formula things, but this is the most, probably the most beneficial way that I use Google Sheets. We also have a team planner that looks just like this, where we go in and we share all of our information. So super helpful. If you would like more information about this, or if you are a Circle teacher, just let me know and I will get you one of these for free.